In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert months to days in Excel. We're going to keep this simple and reliable. Imagine you have a number of months in one cell, and you want to see the equivalent number of days in another cell. The basic idea is to multiply the month value by 30, treating each month as 30 days. This is a common, easy-to-remember assumption that works well for planning, estimates, and simple reports. Start by clicking the cell where you want the days to appear. This should be an empty cell, ideally in the same row as the month value so it's easy to read. With that cell active, you're ready to write a quick formula. Type an equals sign to begin the formula. Now, click the cell that contains the number of months you want to convert. You should see that cell reference appear after the equals sign. Next, type an asterisk and the number 30 to multiply by 30. Visually, your formula will look like this, equals the cell with months times 30. For example, if your month value is in B2, it would read equal B2 30. This tells Excel to take the value in B2 and convert it into days using the 30-day assumption. Press Enter to calculate the result. Excel instantly displays the number of days based on that month value. If the month value is a whole number, you'll get a whole number of days. If it's a decimal, such as 1.5 months, Excel will return a proportional number of days, like 45, which can be especially useful for partial months. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If the result doesn't look right or shows the formula instead of a number, check that the cell isn't formatted as text. Also, make sure the source months are stored as numbers, not words. If you see a long decimal and prefer a cleaner look, you can adjust the number of decimal places using your number formatting options. Remember, multiplying by 30 provides an estimate. If you need a more precise average month length, many teams use 30.44 days or 365 divided by 12. And if you're working from actual start and end dates, you'd use date functions instead. But for quick planning and straightforward conversions, equals, select the month cell, times 30, then enter is fast, clear, and consistent. That's it. Click the destination cell, type the formula with equals, select your month value, multiply by 30, and press Enter. You now have an immediate days conversion you can reference anywhere in your workbook.